Happy Sunday, everybody. Meteorologist Hunter Forst here. We had another hot day today. That's why we did continue our weather alert day for the heat advisory that was in effect. Temperatures right now are still hot in the mid to upper 90s, 98 in Norfolk, 95 in Smithfield right now, 95 in Portsmouth, and 94 in Virginia Beach. But when we factor in the humidity, still feeling like the triple digits in Norfolk at 102, 100 in Roanoke Rapids, 99 in Smithfield, feeling like 100 along the beach, 101 in Hampton, 100 in Saluda right now. And we still have the heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for those feels-like temperatures in the triple digits. But we'll fortunately not have a heat advisory going into Monday because we did think that the heat indices would continue into the triple digits for tomorrow. But we are going to see a cold front come through a little bit earlier, which is going to bring us the chance to see some strong to possibly severe storms heading into Monday afternoon. Now, normally we wouldn't have a weather alert day for a level 1 risk for severe storms, but the atmosphere recently has been super juiced up with high humidity and heat. So there's a chance that some of these storms could overperform. So out of an abundance of caution, we are going to continue the weather alert day into Monday for the chance for strong storms. So we're going to see some isolated strong storms early Monday afternoon, maybe a little bit earlier too, maybe from 11 to maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But then we'll clear out by the evening. So Monday between 11 and 5 basically is when the chance to see some strong storms, possibly severe as well. Main risk right now for the severe weather is in very southern portions of Virginia Beach and eastern North Carolina. So throughout the day tomorrow and early afternoon especially, you're going to want to be weather aware. So here is the SPC outlook for tomorrow in the green. This is the chances for the isolated severe storms, a level 1 out of 5. So it is a low risk, but there is a chance that tomorrow possibly it could be upgraded or it could still be the same. But we just do want to maintain the abundance of caution going into tomorrow. But right now, not too bad in Hampton Roads. Taking a look at our priority automotive cam, still hot out there, 98 degrees, dew point at 66. So certainly feeling a little bit muggy out there. A few scattered showers off towards the west, just going past Richmond right now. A few could get into Williamsburg as well. As we zoom out, though, this is the cold front off towards our west, which is going to move in tomorrow afternoon to bring us a few chances to see some showers and storms, maybe isolated severe storms as well. So let's time this out. Heading into tonight, there's a chance a few of us could see a scattered shower or two, and also lingering into the early parts of tomorrow morning. A little bit cloudy as well. Winds continuing out of the southwest, so maybe a little bit muggy start to the day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Once we get into the afternoon, about noon, 1 o'clock, this is when we'll see the cold front start to move through. A few showers in the eastern shore, Elizabeth City, Virginia Beach as well. The winds will shift out of the northwest, which will keep us cooler heading into the later parts of the afternoon. 2 o'clock, still a lot of us seeing some showers, Kill Devil Hills, a few showers out towards the ocean. And then once we get to about 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll see some showers lingering along the Outer Banks as well. And a few could fire up around Chesapeake as well heading into the evening, Elizabeth City. But for the most part, we should be clear heading into the evening. Once we get into Tuesday morning, things are looking much better. We'll be much cooler throughout the night. Temperatures in the mid 60s to upper 70s, mid 70s for some of us as well. Tuesday afternoon, not looking too bad. Another warm day, though. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And the rain chances for the next couple of days scattered to numerous for Monday. And then we have no rain chances for Tuesday and Wednesday. A few come back for Thursday and the end of the week as well. And we certainly do need the rain because a lot of us are in an abnormally dry conditions. A few of us in the eastern shore and in Lynchburg as well are in moderate drought stages. So any rain we get is very much needed. Taking a look at the tropics in the Atlantic. This has been downgraded from a 40% chance of development to a 20%. There's really not much going on here with this tropical wave. It's moving towards Mexico right now. It really does not have much time to develop into anything, which is the good thing. Temperatures for the next couple of days in the mid to upper 80s, and then we get back to the 90s by midweek. And as we look at the dew points, they're going to be up there tomorrow afternoon and especially in the morning, upper 60s to low 70s. But once the cold front goes through, they'll drop for Tuesday into the lower 60s, which should feel pretty nice. But then they come back up for the middle of next week as well. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast, continuing the weather alert day for tomorrow for those scattered strong to severe storms, possibly temperatures in the upper 80s. 89 again for Tuesday, and we clear out from those rain chances into Wednesday. Then they come back for Thursday and the end of the week, and temperatures remain into the mid to upper 80s and back to the 90s by the end of next weekend.